In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion template with ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have a clean, customizable template built faster than doing it from scratch. And you'll understand how to refine it so it works exactly the way you want. First, open ChatGPT and give it a clear, specific prompt that outlines the template you need. The more detail you provide, the better the starting point. For example, try, act as a Notion expert. Create a structured table for a weekly project planner, including columns for task name, priority select, deadline, date, status, and a formula for days left. This tells ChatGPT the purpose, the database type, and the property types you care about. If you know the options you want in a select field, include those to specificity. Upfront saves a lot of time later. Next, review the output and refine the structure and properties. Ask ChatGPT to tweak anything that doesn't match your workflow. You might say change the statuses column to a select property with options, not started, in progress, done, or make priority. A select with low, medium, high. You can rename columns, reorder them, or request additional properties like assignee or tags. If something looks confusing, ask for a short explanation of how each property should be used. Keep iterating until the structure feels intuitive. If your template needs formulas, have ChatGPT generate them with plain English requirements. For example, give me a Notion formula to calculate the days remaining until the deadline date, showing overdue if the date has passed. You can also ask for variations like excluding weekends or handling empty dates gracefully. If a formula feels complex, ask for a quick breakdown so you understand how to modify it later. Now bring it into Notion. Create a new page and add a database, like a table. Recreate the properties from ChatGPT's output. Add each column, set the correct type, and add any select options exactly as described. Paste in any example rows if provided. Or start with a few sample tasks to test your workflow. If ChatGPT gave you a markdown table, you can paste it into Notion and map the properties as needed. Double check formulas by setting the property to formula and pasting the code. Finally, if you want a little flair, ask ChatGPT to generate custom widgets. For example, give me HTML or CSS code for a minimalist analog clock widget. Copy the code and use the /embed command in Notion to display it. This is optional, but it can make your dashboard feel more polished. That's it. Refine, personalize, and enjoy your new Notion template. Thanks for watching.